This kimchi refrigerator has problem compressor and condenser and evaporator and filter dryer. After cleaning, condenser, evaporator and replacement of filter dryer, I put new compressor and I made the vacuum. After that I put freon R134. After that it is running well, and after one cycle compressor need to start again. When it start first time, it has the discharge line has a little bit high pressure, like it's about 100 psi, and lower side, suction side has 20 psi. It means it doesn't have a equal kind of equilibrium state. That's why when compressor work, it has a high ampere consumption, and the overload protector here is working and disconnect the electricity. After 3 times trial, maybe it takes 4 to 6 minutes later, and compressor work normally. And to make equilibrium to high and lower side, and discharge and suction side, I put timer delay. I made a 3-minute delay after mainboard send signal to compressor. After that, 3 minutes later, compressor start to work. After that, it reach equal pressure to discharge and suction side. After install this 3 minutes delay timer, compressor work normally and power consumption is normal.